All right, so today I've decided to just do a little bit of a drive, and so I am heading um, on this route here in Texas, and I'm just showing a little bit of what's going on here. Okay. Thank you for tuning in. This is the Just Travel channel. So I do hope that you enjoy the view. All right, so this road is, I think we're on Costa Road here in Texas. I'm just trying out this live thing, so let's see. The time now is 3 p.m. here in Texas. Temperature outside is 75 degrees. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. All right, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'll get my GoPro where I can do a little bit more videos that are a little bit more cleaner in terms of the view, 4K. So that's the ultimate goal. I want to get a GoPro, so I'm working on that. Then I'll be able to get better quality on my videos to upload. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am in Plano, Texas here driving. So yeah, thank you for the thumbs up. Really do appreciate that. Oh, 21 persons on. Wow. Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to the channel. All right, this is a Just Travel Plus channel where I highlight different places. And today I'm just trying out this live stream, okay? So thank you for tuning in.
We're to Texas.
Yes, we're in Texas. No, nothing crazy happened. I'm originally from Jamaica. Thank you. Nothing crazy happened. I'm just trying this thing out. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Go to the state park. I will one day. Yes, so when I get my GoPro and I'm trying to get a drone as well, then I'll be able to provide some better quality on my videos. Yeah. Usain Bolt to the world. Yes, Jamaica. That's right. I'm from there. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing there. Really do appreciate that. Yes, I'm currently on Costa Road. It's pretty nice down this side.
It's so hot here.
And as I said, the temperature is like 74 and the time is 3 p.m. So it's not dark as yet, which is good. You're from India? Well, this little zone here has a lot of Indians here. Yeah, it's very cultured down this side. So FYI, in Texas here. What's your like goal? Oh, my like goal for the live video right now, the Woody fam. Go to the skate park. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna start with 50 for now, but you know, 1,000 would be good. But if I get 50, I'm thankful for that. Yes. You're living in Ireland. Okay, Juman. Okay, nice, nice. So we're at the McDermott road right now. So to the left can take you back to like 75. We're heading into the city of Allen as we speak. Okay, yes. So I think I think they say you're supposed to tap the screen for, you know, your likes to like the video or thumbs up the video. Okay. All right. Well, Moya, thank you for those emoji there. Yeah. Banana Man says anything crazy. Okay, yeah. No, nothing crazy happened. Okay. Down this side is very quiet. Here in Allen or Plano, Texas here. Yes, I am in Texas. I am in Texas. What am I doing? I'm just driving around. Just pick up my boy from school. So yeah, I just decided to come on live here and just showcase a little bit of Texas. I know there's nothing really much going on, but you know, we'll see. Uh-oh, sorry about the sun there, the glare. Yeah, but I want to travel a little bit more and capture more videos and post it, share it here, you know. So that's the aim for this channel. All right, I'm gonna go right. So we're on Edgecox Road, right here. Yeah, the weather is so nice here. It's not that cold. I'm from Jamaica, so you know, if I say it's really cold here in Texas, then you know, but it's not cold. Probably like in the February, March, that time period. Yeah, you get a little bit chilly, but you can tolerate it for the few days. Woody is asking the time. The time now is 3 p.m. Hello, Fatusha. Yeah, so it's not cold down this side. They're doing a lot of construction on the road, you'll notice, but yeah. Oh no, I don't understand French, Frashuka. Sorry, I did French in high school, but you know, didn't dwell on it much. Hi, salut. Hello, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, I don't understand any French. Understand a little Spanish. Yeah, but that's it. I am doing fine, Mohammed. How are you doing? Thank you for tuning in. And I do appreciate you guys taking the time out to join me on my little channel here. You know that I am growing. I really do appreciate your time. All right, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, remember to go ahead and subscribe. Oh, it's 9:09 where you're at. Where are you, Woody fam? If it's 9:09, that sounds very far. Oh, are you the one that says you're from Ireland? Whoa.
What?
Oh, you're in the UK. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. Well, that place is cold. Yeah, couldn't do UK right now. I did Maine for a little bit in up north, the US here, and I tell you, that was a headache. That was depressing. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much to everybody who has tuned in and leave a comment. Really do appreciate that. And the persons who have left a like, really do appreciate that. All right. So we're just going to continue on our little route here. All right.
Mommy, are we going home?
Yeah.
Why? I thought we were going in a row.
Oh no, we're not going any further. Just doing a little drive out today. Okay. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. How's yours? Oh, my day has been going fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. It has been going good. How about yours, Woody? I spend a lot of time on the road, so I do a lot of driving during the day, so it was pretty good. Yeah. And I'll check out your channel to see, what's popping on there when I get a chance. Okay. Okay. All right, well, thank you so much. I'm gonna end the live now. I do hope that you will enjoy the day, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, and thank you so much for tuning in to the Just Travel Plus channel. Until then, it was nice having you guys here. Yes, this is the first time live streaming. Yeah, so that's it. But I don't think live streaming is for, kind of live stream and be talking, because, you have to be focused. But because the traffic wasn't that bad today, I decided to do so. All right. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy your evening now. All right. Bye.